fixed my TMJ in 90 days without going on surgery, and I'll help you do the same in only 3 simple steps, and the last one is the most important. I discovered that I have a TMJ when I started to hear clicking while opening my mouth, and I knew that that wasn't normal, so I googled it and see that I have a TMJ, or rather TMD, temporomandibular disorder. And I searched how do I fix it, and no one really knew besides going to the surgery that cost $70,000. And no, I don't want to pay $70,000 for that, so I studied till I discovered this 3-step plan to fix it. Firstly, you need to understand how this nasty condition actually occurs so you can stop it. TMD is a load and control loop. Your jaw is one of the most heavily used joints in your body, and when you overload it, your nervous system panics and tightens the muscles to protect it. The most common thing you do to screw up your TMJ is chewing more on one side. When you chew constantly on one side, sleep exclusively on one side of your face, or rest your chin on your head, you create a massive imbalance. One side gets overworked, the cartilage discs gets moved out of the place, and your body starts a defensive loop. Tension causes bad tracking causes joint irritation, and joint irritation causes even more tension. So before it gets severe, your body will give you clear signs that you might have TMD. So look out for the clicking. If you hear the constant popping or clicking when you're opening wide or chewing, you may have TMD. If your jaw is shifting or deviating to one side when you open your mouth, you may have TMD. If your frequent temple headaches, jaw fatigue or tightness in your neck, you might have a TMD. Now when you know how it happens, step 2 is cutting off your bad habits that make you have a TMD. You cannot fix a joint that you're constantly re-injuring. You need to eliminate these bad habits, overloading this joint. So firstly, stop clenching your teeth or jutting your jaw forward to look cool or make your jawline look wider. You're literally grinding away your joint's cartilage discs. Second thing is, if your jaw is already clicking, chewing tough musty gums to improve your jawline is an absolute speed run to $70,000 joint replacement. You need to treat it like a sprained ankle, you don't go and run a marathon if your ankle is bad, if you hurted your ankle, And the third thing is, train yourself to chew evenly on both sides of your mouth. Never bias to one side early on, or you'll make the asymmetry even worse. And this is the most important step that everyone misses. TMD is a 3-dimensional problem. You cannot treat your jaw like a detached hinge and expect it to stay fixed. Your jaw is completely anchored to your neck and upper back. When you lift weights at the gym or slouch at a desk, your head pushes forward. This puts intense chronic tension on your neck flexors, your upper traps, and your CCM muscles. The neck tension physically pulls your jaw out of its correct alignment. So to fix it for good, you first need to massage and stretch your upper traps and neck muscles to drop the baseline tension. Second thing is, practice opening your mouth straight up and down in a mirror without letting it slide to the side. And the third thing is, only when the clicking stops and your jaw tracks perfectly straight can you gradually introduce normal balanced chewing to lock the symmetry in place. And as a bonus, I'll give you my top 3 exercises to release tension and put your TMJ in balance again. So the first exercise I like to do, it's not the exercise but it's massage. I like to massage my muscles there and my muscles around the jaw area to release that tension. So what you can do is just go with hard knuckles and just go like this down from ear to down, so you can really release tightness and tension around your jaw. Or you can even, this muscle here, temporalis, you can really go and just go in circles basically to release those tension. I will do this for a minute or 2 before going for the exercises. It's really good, it feels super good. So yeah, this is what I like to do when I'm doing my routine. Second thing you can do is opening a mouth straight down with some resistance. So basically what you can do is, where you're hearing this clicking and popping, you put your fingers there, around here, and just open your mouth straight down. Try to make it that it's going straight, do not go to the side like this when you open it, and try to put a little bit of resistance with your other hand, not too much, just a little, like this. And I will do like 1 or 2 sets, about 10 to 12 reps of this. You know, it's really good and will basically reduce clicking and put your jaw back into place. And the last exercise I like to do is similar as this, but going side to side. So for example, you put 2 fingers on your side of your chin and try to push your jaw to the side where your fingers are, so like this. And while doing that, with your fingers you're pushing to the other side, but push with small resistance, don't go too hard, it's bad for you and you will make your TMD and TMJ even worse. So this you can also do for 1 or 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps, it's pretty good and it will fix your TMD and TMJ over time. So fix your habits, release your neck and let your jaw naturally heal. Stay consistent for the next 90 days, save yourself $70,000 and get your life back. And if you want to fix this even faster, just look at my school community by clicking the link in my description. Bye.